Hi there, Chris here. I thought I would try this for Stock Lock Sunday. It's appears to be a very easy lock. It's like a desk lock, cabinet lock. And it says Taylor on it. And it also says 641. That's the bidding, so there's nothing to it. I cannot make out what that says. And there's nothing on this other key. And when I first got it, I thought, well, I can't pick this. And I'll go into that. You see, these little pawls are there, and you turn the key, and that unlocks it. And when I first got this, I thought, well, I need my cabinet tensioner. But the problem with that is this post is too long for this cabinet tensioner, so it won't go in all the way and tension where it should. And then I thought, well, I'll use this, the other UK lockpicker tensioner, and it just spins around. I thought, okay, well, I'm kind of screwed on that. But I did play with it, and if I come in here, let's see, we're locked. If I come in here and put a little bit of tension on the back part and stick my pick wire in there, and push, there's only, there we go. There's only, there's really only one lever. There's the bolt and one lever. So it was very easy to pick once I figured out that I could, come on, there we go. Once I figured out that even though I couldn't get the tension to hold on the, with this tensioner, that if I just put enough of it on, I could really once I get the, see, it just goes right by. But if I set that up with a little bit of tension and just come in here and find that guy, it's in the back somewhere, it feels like, and I can feel a little spring. Oh, I've went too far now. Didn't get it. So the world's simplest bidding, let's try this again. The world's simplest bidding on this key, it did give me pause to have to figure this out, or fiddle it out, really. And then we've got it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like. Ask a question, and or leave a comment. And we will see you next time.